أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به يستعين في جميع الأمور رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Blessed start of February 2022 from SAMS TQL Club, engaged in building SAMS Wheel of Life Farm School 700 homes Al Saada communities in global university campuses, and SAMS Energime University Climate Smart Campus towns in 53 destinations of our planet, which includes gold mines, diamond mines, farms, and any viable available site on our planet. So everyone can join this program by simply enrolling in SAMS TQL Club with 10 pure gold coin, 20 Canadian dollars to start this wonderful journey of inflation-free total quality life in our communities and preschool to PhD education in our SAMS Energime University Climate Smart Campus Towns. Welcome aboard. Pass on this message to everyone, and let's enjoy total quality life in 2022.